Reverend Armel F. Gama.
To my soul, you touch my knees. For a while that I can wait to see. If you be by my side, I'll never sleep.
And the groom, Mr. Patrick Joseph de la Cruz.
It's a life without the glimpse of you. You gave to my life and complete. As you only shine and I can see.
Next, the parents of the
Your love
Mr. Michael and Mrs. Erlinda de la Cruz.
I feel the one inside. Your love is like a river that flows down
For our dear principal sponsor,
inside.
Mayor Ferdinand M. Maliwanag and Mrs. Alona B. Mendoza.
I hear our music play. Reminds me all the things that we did through.
Next, Mr. Sunny A. Domingo and Mrs. Pinky A. Domingo.
But the reality is you.
Vice Mayor Shernan F. Gamos and Mrs. Lani Manalo.
Days are dark without the lips of you. You gave to my life a beautiful dream.
Next, Mr. S.P. Vincent Ramos and Mrs. Marian Baez.
Your love is like the sun that lights up my world. I feel the one inside. Your love
Next,
is
Mr.
like
S.P. Robert De Chavez and Mrs. Betty Candelario.
I feel the truth inside.
Next, Mr. S.P. Norman Money and Mrs. Irene F. Santiago.
The lights up my world. I feel the one inside.
Next, Mr. Geraldo Bagdemino Jr. and Mrs. Maria Rose Rapao.
That blows down to my face. I feel the truth inside.
And for our second sponsor, Miss Pauline Maica de la Cruz and Marvin Tapao. Next is Mariel Tapao and Paulo de la Cruz.
Love is like the sun that lights up my world. I feel the one inside. Your love is like a river that flows
Next, Rancebel Kalinawan and Josel Omnes.
inside.
Next, Leia Pangilinan and Prince Brian de la Cruz. Next, Leia Pangilinan. Joan May Pangilinan and John Dave Pascual. And for the Jocelyn Kataho
sun, but now it's like fire. And inside your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel it inside.
And for our maid of honor, Journey Pangilinan. And for our flower girls, Isobel, Marcia, and Krisha. And for the parents of the bride, Mr. Roman Pangilinan and Mrs. Teresita Pangilinan.
Hindi. Yung tabo ni Inday, tabunan mo yan. Inday, tabunan mo ang mukha ni Inday, papasok. Daw nakahalubad, daw labas na. Ipasok mo yung tabon sa mukha. Sadya, di ba yun? Papasok din. Papasok. Oo, naka-live na dyan.
Dear friend, family of the bride and groom, we welcome and thank you for being part of this important occasion. We are gathered together on this day to witness and celebrate. Let's welcome the beautiful in white, the bride, Miss Marife Pangilinan. Bigyan po natin ng masagawang palakpakan ng ating bride.
I got so close, I couldn't speak, and broken, I found a one, but not about missing peace. So as long as I live, I love you, we haven't hold you, you're so beautiful in world. As long as I love every last breath, this day I cherish, you're so beautiful in world. Tonight.
Now, Brian.
Love is kindness, love is endless.
And in this day, say to the world, know my every reason, know that I believe it, with all my heart, with every word. So as long as I live, I love you, we're happy holding. You look so beautiful in white. And from now to my very last breath, this day I cherish. You look so beautiful in white. Tonight. Mga minamahal na kapatid at mga kaibigan, tayo ay nagkatipon ngayon sa harapan ng Diyos at ng kapulungan ito upang saksihan at ipagdiwang ang pag-iisang dibdib ni Patrick Joseph at Maria Pe sa isang banal Kristiyanong kasalan. Ang ika ng pag-aasawa at itinatag ng Diyos na siya ika sa atin na lalaki at babae. Ang sinumang nagnanais na pumasok sa tipang ito ay dapat mag-isip ng mabuti ng may pinahunan sapagkat ang pag-aasawa ay isang banal na tipan o ay dapat igalang. Ikaw, Patrick Joseph, tinatanggap mo ba ang babaeng ito upang maging asawa? Mamuhay na magkasama ayon sa itinatag ng banal na matrimonyo? Siya ba ay iyong iibigin, aaliwin, igagalang at iingatan sa sakit at sa kalusugan at tawing sa kanya lamang habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay? Opo, Pastor. Ikaw naman, Maria Pe, tinatanggap mo ba ang lalaki ito upang maging asawa? Mamuhay na magkasama ayon sa itinatag ng banal na matrimonyo? Siya ba ay iyong iibigin, aalipin, igagalang at iingatan sa sakit at kalusugan at tawing sa kanya lamang pipisan habang kayong dalawa ay nabubuhay? Kung gayon, hilingin natin ang paspas ng may kapal sa gawain ito. Tayo sa madaling limuko at tayo po ay manalangin. Dakila at mapagpalang Diyos, ikaw ang pag-ibig. Maraming salamat sa dalawang puso na sa iyo ngayon umaga. Dalangin ko, Panginoon, na patuloy mong pagpalain ang seremonya ito at kasihan ng iyong banal na Espiritu, Panginoon, ang kanilang pagmamahalan. Ngayon, bukas, Jesus' name. Sino ang nagbigay ng pahintulot at pagpapala kay Patrick Joseph upang pakasal kay Maria Pe? Sino po ang nagbigay ng pahintulot? Sabigaw po, kami po, Pastor. Narinig po ninyo? Nanay, payag din po, Pastor. Kasi tatay lang parang masama, nagaganon-ganon ang kamay ni nanay. Kami po, Pastor, narinig po ninyo at wala na pong dahilan para tayo po ay tigil natin ang kasalan ito. Pwede po umupo po muna kayo. Pwede na po kayong makaupo.